a storehouse of love and never-ending laughter, an archives of memories, a space full of dreams, speaking volumes of where you've been, more so of who you are. And here we put these pieces together to create a place that you can call home. So come, stay along where you belong. Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. The holiday season is just around the corner. Well, it's called the holiday season because most of us go on holidays, our children have holidays, and this is generally that time of the year where you just want to relax or party or meet friends and just make merry. Christmas may not be a festival that a lot of us celebrate, but the spirit of Christmas is beautiful and I just love this time of the year. The weather is cozy, it's cold and you want to snuggle up, you want to watch a lot of movies, that's what at least what I do. But this is also a time when I love to get together with friends and just have a good time. So this holiday season, we are trying to make it just a little special for you. We are going to give you the tour of our space and we're going to share with you all the beautiful products that we have which can make your homes feel slightly more cozy, a lot more fun and very inviting for your friends and family to come over. So let me share the video of Fulcrum to you. This is probably going to be the only tour that we've done of our store in the entire year. So sit back, relax, have a cup of hot cocoa or coffee in your hands and have a look at how this beautiful store looks at this time of the year. Welcome to Fulcrum. So as you enter, you're greeted by this beautiful charpai which we've made into a chula hanging from the ceiling. This part of my store is very nostalgic because this is very vintage from one of my grandmom's places. That door was picked up from one Aji's Vada when she was getting it demolished. So really beautiful memories here, and this is part of the store is the first thing that you see. So if you've not been to the store, welcome to Fulcrum. This is the door and now we will be entering our store. So we've got a lot of beautiful carpets and daris like this. This is a vintage piece of furniture that we have restored. We have cladded its doors with green and rattan. We've added these beautiful brass handles and we've polished this piece. This was a pretty teak wood piece. We have some lovely wall signs like this which can be used at the entrance or it can be used at any place at your homes. We have these beautiful apothecary bottles, so which we have reused, and these are all upcycled with lovely vintage artwork on top. They can be used as candle holders or just to house some plants as well. Then we have these series of metal lanterns, again extremely farmhouse vintage cottage core vibe, and they look very beautiful all through the year actually. This side we have these beautiful crates, so to speak. We've created them out of pellets and this one's out of wood. You can use this just as a centerpiece, you can use this on your outdoors, you can use this to store magazines. These are very versatile pieces which look lovely in every home. And this is the Christmas corner of the store. So we have some lovely stockings which are just beautifully made out of jute, out of velvet, out of brocade, all kinds of fabrics here, and they come in a set of 2. All of this will be linked on below this video. It's all on our website. And we've got some lovely Christmas goodies. These are stars which are made out of MDF but very well finished on both ends. You can add them to your neutral decors, or you can actually paint them or decoupage them. And we have these Christmas houses, some distressed Christmas trees, bottle brush Christmas trees in this beautiful, I like to call this a sleigh, but I'm sure that's not what it is. But you can actually store fruit or something or in it when it's not in use. And these are some very beautiful macrame hangings. They come with these kind of jute balls, and we've strung them with these fairy lights, so they look lovely at the entrance, or just around the windows, the way we've put it. Then we have a host of lovely throws, very cozy, lovely. They look amazing on any decor, and they just add that warmth and comfort to your homes. And we have a series of upcycled wine bottles which have these very pretty labels which make them very vintage. Again, they can be used in a cluster, just as candle holders or as vases. And then we have another Christmas tree. And this time we have these lovely trivet holders. They look really smart, so they act as a base if you want to keep some flowers and a candle. They just look very pretty in any home and any table, just as a table decor. So we've got lots of this. This will also be on our website. And these are some smaller rugs and daris that we have. Again, just can be used under any chair or just on a bedside to add a pop of color and warmth to your space. So that was the one section, which is the very farmhouse looking section of our store. We have these key holders or hooks which look lovely at the entrance. We have two designs actually, one which says faith and one which says live simply. So again, this will be linked on the website. Beautifully white painted. They have these really nice decals. Looks really nice at any entrance, and or even just a blank wall. And we've got a host of cushions in white and gold. So this is more of a white and gold Christmas kind of look at our store. We have some lovely trays as well, which can be used as gifts or as decor in your homes. We also have these candle holders in metal, and these you can use them as vases, or you can use them as candle holders. And these lovely snowflake signs kind of light up at night when you put a candle in there. We have these trays as well, again very farmhouse, very rustic looking with a lovely wooden edge. These will also be linked on the website. And lots and lots of trays. Lots of mirrors, shelf decor. And look at the wooden angels, that looks so cute. Another beautiful piece of furniture which has this cane weaving. And yeah, these are the wall signs that I was talking to you about. They look beautiful. They will also be linked on our website. Looks amazing at any entrance of a home. And lots of woven daris and rugs. And these are the wooden trivets. So these are the round trivets. The ones that you saw were in square and rectangle, and then we have these kind of trivet holders. So lots of stuff at the store, and they will all be on the website. For a personal feel of everything, do drop into our store. I will be showing you both the other sections of the store next. This is our cozy corner in the store, we have some lovely Christmas lanterns here which have these very pretty snowflake patterns. So during the evening you'll be able to make this out more. Once the candle inside is lit, this creates a very magical pattern on the wall. So these are of metal, they are very sustainable, long lasting, a lovely gift that you can give to anyone during this holiday season. We have some wreaths. We have lots of upcycled bottles which have been created into candle stands. And oh yeah, one of my favorite candle stands for the season. These are also metallic ones. They have a top like that on which you can place a pillar candle, and they make a lovely addition to your centerpiece or your center table, your dining table. We have some runners like that. Festive throws. Some very pretty metal houses, and you can actually burn candles inside them, and this is how a candle can go, and the light is reflected through the windows, through these little cutouts in metal. Again, this looks beautiful in the evening. We have some tiny coasters. These are all made out of upcycled fabrics, and these are made out of wooden pieces that we have left over. So these again make very pretty gifts. We have some vintage vases and more candle stands. These are lovely red. We have grey, white and red. I'll show you the white in a minute. And of course our Christmas tree. We have some lovely cushions which can be used during this festive time and even later. So I have paired these lovely velvet ones with some linen and lace fabric ones. We have all of this on our website. We have some of this lovely furniture if you want to visit us in store. We also have these white colored ones in the lanterns. They are available in 3 sizes. And we have some pretty trays as well, which have some lovely artwork and nice wooden sides, and these gorgeous crates which can be used to house plants or candles. We have some lovely rugs. There is lots and lots of decor for this festive season, so definitely check out our store and our web store for the same. This is the other section of our store. We have lots of sustainable gift wrapping and gift giving options, like these cotton pouches, these kind of gift bags, these gift bags. You will find all of this linked on our website. We have some lovely floating shelves. This one's made out of pine wood. We have this little cute mini trunk as well, which can serve as a side table, or even you can even open it and stack your books in this. We have hand painted vintage kettles, some lovely pouches, again very beautiful vintage burnies which have extremely beautiful decals, and look at these gorgeous Christmas trees. So you can place a candle here, and these little star cutouts actually let out the candle light, and it looks very magical at night. Lots of pretty cushion covers, and here we have some more stockings for the people who love neutral colors. These are lovely stockings that can be added to any decor. We have a host of neutral black and white cushion covers, bedspreads, even and just to add a pop of yellow, we've used these velvet mustard cushion covers. We have some round cushion covers with these pom-poms and some frames. This room in particularly is for people who are not very fond of the red, green, jarring Christmas colors. This is very neutral. It has lovely black and whites. We have lots of black and white cushion covers, some in stripes, some in checks, some in this triangle pattern. We have these white with vintage stripes. This is a lovely check plaid kind of a pattern. And we've got cozy throws which can be added to chairs or to your beds. And what we've done is to add a pop of yellow, so just to add a little cheer during the holiday season. So lots of all of this will be available on our website for you to buy and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our store. We loved putting each and every part of the store together this year. It has been, as I said, because this is one of my very favorite times of the year, we take extra effort to decorate the store to make it feel very warm and cozy and inviting for each one of you. So if you are in Pune, definitely try and drop by. We take all kind of abundant precautions, so be assured that if you are coming in by appointment, we will not take any other appointments at the store, but you can walk in any time between 11:30 and 7 p.m. and enjoy the beauty of the store. All the products that you have seen in the store will be linked on our website. Our website is very much operational, and for this festive season, we have taken away the taxes, we have reduced the shipping charges drastically. We've been working very hard to get these products to your homes at an affordable price. We're also running discounts all through the Advent till leading up to Christmas. So each day we will be having a product which is on a discount, and it is promoted on our Instagram page, so definitely go and check that out so that you are aware of which product goes on sale when. Other than that, I would just want to invite you to to take these products home if you need them, if you want to add a little cheer during this festive season to your homes. And I hope we can make your Christmas, your holiday a little bit more merry. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do leave us a comment if you have any trouble with the website or you would want to know something. Apart from these videos, the video of the store that you see, there are a lot of videos about home makeovers, transformations, decor that we have done, tutorials about a lot of these things which are on our YouTube channel, so definitely go and have a look at them. And if you haven't subscribed already to the channel, please go and do so, because if you don't subscribe these days, the algorithm doesn't show you our videos, and many a times you will miss the content that we put up. So if you're interested in following our journey, definitely do that. And for other videos, we also make short videos regarding, I have a lot of videos coming up about the Christmas decor in my house, some Christmas trees that you can use, and the links of all the products will be there in those videos. They will be put up on Instagram, so definitely consider following us on Instagram as well. The link will be mentioned in the description box, and you can partake of all the beautiful things that we love to share and offer to you. So make each one of you have a cozy holiday season, have a lovely time, and make merry with your friends, and wind this year into a beautiful merry time. So I'll see you again in our next videos. Happy holidays.